Hello everyone. I am continuing that means what the numericals that solving on fluid kinematics. Just I am giving some hints how to solve that means numericals on kinematics here, and also some other varieties of numericals will comes in fluid kinematics that are on that means what rotational and irrotational flow. As we know that means what the rotational components along x, y, z direction how to write. So rotation components along that x direction, it is a rx is equal to half. As I told that x, y, z is there, how to take it half in the bracket, we have to write that means what here x means after x, y and z will comes dou y minus here in the denominator you write it y, then after y that z will comes here. So in the cross way we have to write that velocity with respect to that direction. Here with respect to z direction, that velocity is w, that is a dou w, write it here, and that with respect to y direction velocity is that is a v here, so therefore you write it here now, that is a dou e. Similarly we can write that is a ry is equal to, it is a half in the bracket after y, z and x here, so dou z minus it is and dou x here. So here it is a dou u, x velocity component and z velocity component, it is a dou w here. And the next one is that r z is equal to, similarly that is after z that x and y will come, so dou x minus it is dou y here, so it is the y direction velocity is dou v and x direction velocity is dou u here in this case. So these are the rotational components. Resultant rotational components we can write here now, capital R is equal to, it is the Rx into I plus Ry into J plus that is a Rz into K. This is the vector form we can write, and resultant, that means what we can write R is equal to under square root of, it is a Rx square plus Ry square plus Rz, that is square here. How to find whether that flow is rotational or irrotational? Rotational means fluid itself, that fluid particles itself they are rotating and also they are moving, and it is called as the rotational fluid flow. So mathematically, how to know that means whether that fluid flow is a rotational or a irrotational? If any case Rx is equal to Ry is equal to Rz is equal to 0, means all are 0, means then it is the irrotational flow. Irrotational, that is flow here now. If any one of Rx, Ry and Rz is 0, then the flow is rotational flow. So this is the way, that means what how we are finding that flow is rotational or irrotational mathematically. Means they will give you here, for example 2D flow is there. If the 2D flow is there, only x and y will be taken. So x and y, where it is present, x and y is present here now in the z, means so with respect to x is there, with respect to y is there. Whether this Rz will become 0 in this 2D flow of x here I will take for example, if this is a 2D flow is the function of x and y is there, then we need to take that means what Rz, because phi will be given, u will be given and phi will be given. Velocity along the x direction, velocity along the y direction will be given. Differentiate the d phi with respect to x, differentiate u with respect to y, then the Rz will comes 0. If the Rz will comes 0, means what? The fluid particles are not rotating about the z direction, means it is a irrotational flow. It is irrotational flow here. If Rz will comes not equal to 0, some value if it is coming here, then we need to tell it is the rotational fluid because Rz has some value, rotation has some value here. So this is that means what how that means what the rotational compounds we are using to solve the numericals in case of the fluid kinematics. So next, some other ways are there, that means what here in case of that continuity equation, 3D continuity equation as we have derived already, that is dou u in case of the steady flow 3D continuity equation in Cartesian coordinates, dou u by dou x plus dou v divided by dou y plus it is a dou z divided by dou w divided by dou z is equal to 0. This is 3D continuity equation. Sometimes in case of the numericals here in 2D flow, for 2D flow only that x and y direction, they will give you a u. U means somewhat, some relation 2xy plus 3y square, some relation will be given. They will ask to find u is given and v is how much. What is the value of the v? They will ask here. In that cases, so because it is a 2D flow, this will becomes a 0 here. Not the flow is not along the z direction here now. So therefore this u I will substitute it here. Dou with respect to x we have to differentiate here now. With respect to x, if I differentiate it, what I am getting here now? Dou u by dou x. This dou u by dou x, what I am getting here now? It is 2y. Here there is no x here now. It is a 2y plus dou v divided by dou y is equal to 0. So now that means what we need? We need this v, because they are asking here now v, velocity along the y direction here now. So therefore, so you write it accordingly. Dou v divided by dou y is equal to this 2y. I will take this side here now, minus 2y here, and dou v is equal to minus 2y into dou y. To get this v, what we have to do? We have to integrate it here. Integrate it, v is equal to here. So 2y, if I differentiate, if I integrate with respect to the y here now, so therefore it is minus 2y square divided by 2 plus c. Integral constant it is there, 2 will get cancelled. So therefore v is equal to minus y square plus c. This is the equation, that means what, for velocity component v here now. So dear students, variety of numericals they may ask in case of that means what the examinations. As I have given already that means what the PTU question papers, please see that. In some question papers I have solved already these numericals on this fluid kinematics. Please that means what try to solve that means what all that numericals on fluid kinematics. So further again we will come with another that video lecture. Thank you very much.